that recently when we spoke about challenges that bedevil part of our judicial system, you spoke out even in your tweets, even calling on an institution like LSK, where you once served as the chair of LSK, that we must all be open to the truth if we are to fix the problems in this country. Part of the reason why we are in the trouble we are in is because of past cases of state capture and corruption in our country, including corruption in the judiciary. And I thank you, Paul, because you have not shied away from stating facts as they are. That we got to a point where even part of our judiciary system was captured by the former regime. And if we don't deal with those issues today, we may think it's challenges between government and those in the judiciary or those who are in court with government. But the dispensation of justice is critical to us even as individuals in this country. And I thank you, Paul, because you have not shied away to call a spade a spade. Those who are corrupt in the judiciary must be called out for corruption without undermining the independence of the judiciary. And let me finish by emphasizing that we have no intent at all in undermining the independence of the judiciary. But matters touching on corrupt judicial officers, including corrupt members of the bar, lawyers who are members of LSK. And I want to challenge the chairman of LSK today to be as bold as Paul Mwite when he was chair LSK, to call out those of his members who are engaging in corruption.